In this video, we will know how to insert employees while using CSV file in the payroll. So let's see how to do it. For inserting new employees in this, you just click on this custom payroll report, and in which you can select whatever columns you want. You can select it like employee name, employee code, gross salary, basic salary, or any employee data, and just submit it. In this you can see, and you can see every column, so whatever you have added in, which you can download. After downloading the CSV file, whatever columns you will add in the template, it will be look like this: gross salary, basic salary, PSCT, advanced deduction. Whatever columns you will add, it will be look in this. But if you are adding the employee data, for example date of birth, name of employees, so for that you have to add the sign of percentage before that data. Like if you're adding the date of birth, date of joining, so you have to add the sign of percentage before that name. Only then it will be uploaded. And but it is not compulsory for all, like payroll things like gross salary, basic salary, PSD deduction, and advanced deduction. But it is compulsory for if you are adding the employee data, for example date of birth, date of joining, name of employee, all the data of the employees. It is compulsory to add the percentage sign before that name. In this, if you will select yes, only then the new employees will get inserted, otherwise no. If you will select no here, they will never get inserted. So you have to select yes for that. And in this CSV file, you can upload CSV file in this. Whatever columns you have maintained in the CSV, you can add and you can upload that CSV here. So for this, you have to select or choose file CSV, proper CSV file, and you can attach here. Suppose there is an employee ID in the CSV which doesn't exist in the system, then our script will add that as new employee and also add its payroll data here. So you can save it. So it will be added in this, which you can process it. It will be look like this. Whatever in columns you will add, it will be look like this. You can see here.